Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the drain hose in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit or a Phillips head screwdriver, a putty knife, and pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. You may need to detach the venting from the dryer to fully access the rear of the laundry center. You may also need to shut off the incoming water and remove the hot and cold water supply lines as well. Remove the end of the old drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. Using the putty knife, release the 2 retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top. Have an assistant help you to lift and support the front of the appliance. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the washer's front panel to the base. With the screws unthreaded, remove the support, then push the panel down to fully remove. Use the pliers to release the retaining clamp securing the drain hose to the pump. Pull the hose off the pump and remove the clamp. Next, use the pliers to help release the 2 hose retainers from the rear panel. From the rear of the appliance, use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the hose retaining plate. With the plate removed, you can pull out the old hose. To prepare the new drain hose for installation, transfer the anti-siphon ring from the old hose to the new one. Feed the end with the rubber elbow through the hole in the rear panel. Reinstall the hose retaining plate. Snap the hose retainers into place in the rear panel. From the front of the cabinet, slide the clamp over the elbow. Attach the hose to the drain pump and secure it with the clamp. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs on the panel with the slots in the frame. Then lift the panel up until the top edge aligns with the top of the frame. Support the front of the appliance. Then replace the 2 lower screws to secure the panel. Remove the support. Reinstall the washer's main top by first reconnecting the lid lock wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Insert the new drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. If necessary, reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Reattach the venting if required, and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on if necessary. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.